back on the flip side in Colorado, and good timing because it's 115 degrees now where I was just at, and Colorado's about 90, so I'll take it. So, but what a good time, man. I got some good relaxation, hanging with the family, my friend and his kids, and then my four, they all bond pretty well, so it's cool to see that on the playground. We took them out in the jet ski, on the boat. They did some fishing, caught some bass and some bluegill, which is pretty cool. They always love that. Made banana ice cream, had some good meals, played some cards. Me and my buddy went out to the casino and actually both won. So it was an epic trip, guys. So just wanted to let you know a little bit about it. Let me know what you guys are doing for the 4th of July. Drop me a comment below. And you know I'm here to help you guys, so I'm back. So anything you want to talk about, hit me up in the comments. And you know I'll be doing a Q&A starting July 5th. So after the 4th of July, once we clear through Independence Day, I'll be putting a link where you guys can book a 30-minute Zoom meeting with me one-on-one and ask me anything you want, and I'm going to help you guys out, okay? It's good to put a face to the name, guys, and get to meet you guys who have been following me for a while, okay? And today in this video, I wanted to talk about how the market keeps grinding higher, and I hope you see the big picture, which I've been talking about for, the last couple of years, is that the market eventually goes up, right? So it's best and easiest to be a long-term investor, right, and just buy the dips, dollar cost average. That's the least stressful way to go about it, except for automated trading. That's even more convenient because you don't have to do anything on your point except log in every Sunday, guys. And that's why I've been telling you guys, if you stress out in any way or don't have the time to trade or invest or don't want to do it because it makes you go crazy or it affects your mental or psyche or emotions, right, then take advantage of this automated trading, guys, and I will give you the link. Again, I'll put it in the description, okay? It'll be the same link for booking a Zoom meeting with me, and I'll talk to you about it, obviously, at the same time, okay? So that's helped a lot of people, guys, and it can help you, so it's worth your time to hear about it, okay? And so today, we saw Tesla continue to rage on. Now, don't get greedy, guys. If you are short-term trading this, take some profits, okay? Because this has been a stellar run. This is, I believe it's having this pop as first off, the deliveries beat expectations, okay? So that helped, right? And then also the Robotaxi event August 8th. I believe that will be a sell the news event at that point, guys, unless there's some other big positive news that comes out. But enjoy the rally while it lasts here. Now, don't get me wrong, Tesla's in my long-term account too, guys. I believe this is going to go much higher and break all-time highs eventually down the road. But they still need to clear through where EV demand, right, where they start showing growth. Because year over year, they're still down with their numbers sold, vehicles sold, okay? But again, I believe this is much more than just EVs, as we know, right? The Tesla robots, Tesla Semi, right? The proprietary data they have with, self-driving cars, the robo-taxis, right? A whole list of things, as you know. So, but like I said, if you're short-term trading it, lock in some gains, guys. Take the win, right? It's all about getting wins and using that money. Reward yourself. Like I said, go out with your family, take yourself out, whatever, right? Take your wife out for lunch, do something with that money to reward yourself. That's what makes trading fun, okay, if you're short term. Now, Nvidia and the semiconductors bounced today as well, guys, which is a good sign. It's only a matter of time before the dip gets bought. You've heard me say that, so hopefully you're already in this by now, guys. I've been recommending Nvidia and Micron for a while here, okay? But if you're looking for an ETF, I have gotten some comments. People want to know an ETF, which again is a lot more stress-free, obviously, right? Having that so you can play the whole sector. So my favorite semiconductor ETF is not the stocks, actually. It's SMH, guys. And if you've been tracking semiconductor stocks, you know about this one by now because it's outperforming huge, okay? If you bought this, I think it started in 2011 and it's up huge since its inception, okay? But this has, Nvidia is 20% of the weighting in this index, okay? You do have Broadcom up there as well. You have ASML. There's some other names. Obviously, the big dogs are up there at the top, okay? The semiconductor players, okay? So you can check out the weighting, though, of what's in it, okay? But that one is a good one, okay? And obviously, catch it on the dips when you can, right? Try not to buy it at highs. That's my policy, okay? And then another good, you all know about the QQQ by now, which is the NASDAQ 100, which has been outperforming for a long time, okay? So you know that's a good one. That's all the mega caps in there, right? Nvidia, obviously, Microsoft, Apple, right? Those names. Again, Magnificent Seven. We'll put Tesla back in the Magnificent Seven now, right? And then Another ETF that is one to take a look at if you like just the whole generative AI sector as a whole, check out Chat, C-H-A-T. And these have expense ratios again, but a lot of these are not too bad, guys. And Chat is actually actively managed, so it's a little bit higher fee, but it does like diversify your holdings, so that's good. And then also my last one here, which is another one I've talked about all these in the past briefly, okay? But they're ones you can do some research on. The other one is WCRB, which covers the cybersecurity AI index. So you still get exposure to the AI, these cybersecurity companies, okay? And these are ones, you know, companies have to keep spending on cybersecurity. And that's what's great about owning, you know, having exposure to, you know, the cybersecurity space. And we know there's always going to be hacks, and with the election coming up, there's going to be some crazy stuff going on, especially with AI in the mix now as well, okay? So anyways, just wanted to talk to you about some of those. Are some ETFs you can look at. Again, that's answering some of your questions that you guys have had about those, okay? Those are 4 solid ones. If you like the AI sector or cybersecurity, those are good ones that will take you into the future, okay? And like I said, if you want to play individual, NVIDIA is my favorite. Micron's up there as well, okay? And those will eventually bounce back, you know? There's a catalyst on the horizon with these companies. Again, they work with each other, right? Micron and NVIDIA, but there's going to be news that comes out that gets it going, okay, at some point. We know the Blackwell chip with NVIDIA is on the horizon, okay? So, and that's going to be a game changer there with that one, guys. So, but anyways, let me know what you're doing for the 4th of July, guys, okay? Drop me a comment below. I appreciate the likes. Keep on sharing these, okay? I want to help out as many people as possible. And then, like I said, starting July 5th, we're going to do some Zoom meetings, one-on-one Q&A where you guys can ask me anything. Have a great 4th of July.